Hey guys, Gazanfali here. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add an add-on domain into your Bluehost hosting. So before adding an add-on domain, make sure your name servers are updated to what Bluehost has provided you. So I'm assuming you already have updated the name servers into your domain. So the next thing that you want to do is to go to this domain, and then you will have to click on this assign button here. And in here it will ask you to enter the domain name. I'll insert the domain name here. It will start verifying the domain, and here you can see it says ownership verified. The name servers of domain is currently set to what domain has provided. In any cases, if your domain is with another domain registrar such as Namecheap, then you will see a different kind of message. So for example, if I try this domain here, you can see it is asking me to verify the ownership by updating the name server that Bluehost is providing. So in my case, I already have updated the name servers. So I'll use the domain that I want to add as an add-on domain. So from here, I'll choose the add-on domain. And in here, I want to create a new directory. So make sure you always check this, and you do not want to check mark this thing. You want to create a new directory every time you add a new domain. So click on assign this domain here. It might take some time, but you'll have to just wait until the process will get completed. Alright, once it will get added successfully, you can verify this by clicking on my domains here. And if I scroll down, you can see here is the domain that I have just added. In this way, you can insert the add-on domain to your Bluehost account. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.